To track workouts on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, well, all you simply have to do is just grab your watch and from here go for the application list and you'll have to find the workouts. Right here, this application, workout, let's go in there and from here let's for example say that I'm doing the indoor workout, indoor walk I mean. So let's tap on this one, let's press go and from here you can see that there is some data available, the heart rate, pace, distance, the duration, and some other data like steps, total calories, and yeah, some other stuff. By swiping down or up or using the crown to actually swipe, you can find a couple of different informations right here. And yeah, here you can find the workout, the track of your workouts, and to actually finish the workout, all you simply have to do is just press this crown button right here, this up button. As you tap on this one, here is this icon to stop, this button to stop, simply press it, and that's how to do this.